Honorable Prime Minister, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to today's ceremony where 13 documents will be exchanged. The first is the arrangement for the establishment of an Indo-French Joint Committee on Science and Technology Cooperation. This will be exchanged on the French side by Honorable Mr. Laurent Fabius, the French Foreign Minister, and on the Indian side by Dr. Harsh Vardhan, Union Minister of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences. The second agreement is the Cultural Exchange Program. Cultural Exchange Program for the period 2016-2018. On the French side, Honorable Fleur Pellerin, Minister of Culture and Communications, and on the Indian side, Shri Narendra Kumar Sinha, Secretary, Ministry of Culture. Third, implementation arrangement on hosting Argos 4 payload on board India's OceanSat-3 satellite. On the French side, the signatory for the exchange is Mr. Jean-Yves Le Gall, President CNES, and on the Indian side, Shri A.S. Kiran Kumar, Chairman ISRO, Secretary, Department of Space. For implementing arrangement between ISRO and CNES concerning cooperation regarding a future joint thermal infrared Earth observation mission, Mr. Jean-Yves Le Gall, President CNES, and on the Indian side, Shri A.S. Kiran Kumar, Chairman ISRO, Department of Space. Fifth, letter of intent on CNES participation in ISRO's next Mars mission. French side, Mr. Jean-Yves Le Gall, President CNES. On Indian side, Shri A.S. Kiran Kumar, Chairman ISRO, Secretary, Department of Space. Sixth, shareholding agreement for joint venture between Alstom and Indian Railways for production of 800 locomotives. On the French side, Mr. Henri Poupart-Lafarge, Director General Alstom, and on the Indian side, Shri A.K. Mittal, Chairman, Railway Board. The seventh, agreement for launching feasibility study for the renovation of railway stations of Ambala and Ludhiana. On the French side, Mr. Guillaume Pepe, CEO, SNCF, and Shri A.K. Puthia, General Manager, Northern Railway. Eighth, MOU between Food Safety and Standards Authority of India and its French counterpart ANSES. French side, Mr. Gerard Lafargus, Deputy Director General, French Agency for Food, Environment and Occupational Health and Safety. On the Indian side, Shri Pawan Kumar Agarwal, CEO, FSSAI. Number 9, MOU on cooperation in smart governance and public administration. On the French side, Mr. Francois Richer, His Excellency the Ambassador of France to India, and on the Indian side, Shri Devendra Chaudhary, Secretary, DARPG. Tenth, MOU for conducting next round of Namaste France and Bonjour India festivals in 2016 and 2017. On the French side, His Excellency Mr. Francois Richer, Ambassador of France to India. On the Indian side, Shri C. Rajshekhar, Director General, ICCR. Number 11, Memorandum of Understanding for Industry-Sponsored PhD Fellowship. On the French side, Mr. Patrice Caine, Chairman and CEO, Thales Group. And on the Indian side, Professor Devang Khakhar, Director, IIT Powai. Twelfth, cooperation agreement between Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Pune, and the École Normale Supérieure de Lyon, France. On the French side, Mr. Jean-François Pinton, President, ENS de Lyon. And on the Indian side, Shri K.N. Ganesh, Director, IISER, Pune. 13, agreement of cooperation between CNRS, TB, UBO, UBS, ENSTA, ENIB and IIT Bombay, Mr. Patrick Nedelec, Director of DRCI CNRS from the French side, and Professor Devang Khakhar, Director IIT Powai. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I also have a 14th announcement. This relates to an MOU on the purchase of Rafale aircraft. Signatories, the Honorable Defense Minister of France and the Honorable Defense Minister of India. Excellency, this concludes the signing ceremony, but there is also a book release. I would invite the Honorable President of France and Honorable Prime Minister. The book is Shadow of the Gods, an Archive and its Images by Gopinath Sri Kandane. The book is in English and in French. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now have press statements by the two leaders. May I first invite the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, to deliver his press statement.
Excellency, Rashtrapati Oram, France से पधारे हुए सभी वरिष्ठ मंत्री महोदय,
all ministers from France, all distinguished delegates and members of the media.
राष्ट्रपति ओलाम,
President Hollande
आप भारत के एक अभिन्न मित्र हैं.
is a very close friend of
हमारे
India.
67वें गणतंत्र दिवस के विशेष अवसर पर
On the occasion of our 67th Republic Day,
भारत में
we would like to once again welcome you warmly to
आपने हमारे
India.
निमंत्रण का स्वीकार किया.
The fact that you accepted our invitation
मैं आपका
is
अभिनंदन
something
करता
for
हूं.
which we are very grateful.
राष्ट्रपति जी, आप एक महान देश के सशक्त नेता हैं.
You are a capable leader
फ्रांस
of a
ऐसे
great
देशों में से
nation.
हैं
France is one of
जिसके
those
साथ
countries with
हमारी
which we've
प्राचीनतम
had
और सबसे भरोसेमंद
relations
स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप रही.
for many years, and we
भारत
also
के
have
गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह पर
trustworthy strategic
आपका
partnership.
मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में स्वागत करना
It
मेरे
is a matter of great
और पूरे
pride
भारत के
for
लिए
me and for
गौरव की
for
बात है.
India to welcome you
कल
as the chief
पूरा
guest
भारत
at the occasion of the
और
Republic
पूरे विश्व में
Day of India.
हर
Tomorrow,
भारतीय गणतंत्र दिवस मनाएगा.
India, as well as the
कई
entire world,
कारणों
will
से
celebrate the
कल का
Republic
दिन
Day. For many
हमारे
reasons,
संबंधों के लिए भी अत्यंत
tomorrow's day
महत्वपूर्ण
will be
होगा.
very significant for our
कल
relationships.
हम
Tomorrow,
5वीं बार
we will
फ्रांसीसी नेता का
be welcoming
अपने
a
गणतंत्र दिवस
French
पर
leader for the fifth
मुख्य
time
अतिथि के
at
रूप
our
में
Republic Day.
स्वागत करेंगे. साथ ही साथ
And as a
France
chief guest. And at the
पहला
same
ऐसा
time,
देश होगा
France would be one such
जिसका
country
सैन्य दस्ता कल
whose
हमारी
military
राष्ट्रीय परेड पर
troop will also
भारतीय
be
सैन्य टुकड़ियों के साथ
marching
कदम से
along
कदम मिलाकर राजपथ की
troops
शान बढ़ाएगा।
shoulder to shoulder
Friends,
on the
फ्रांस
Rajpath.
वो देश है
France, friends,
जिसके
France
साथ
is a country
आज से
with
लगभग
which we've had
18 वर्ष पूर्व भारत ने
a
पहली
strategic partnership
स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप
18 years
कायम
ago.
की थी।
And it was 18 years ago that we
France
signed a strategic
उन
partnership
चंद
with France.
प्रथम देशों में से हैं
France is one of those
जिसके साथ
few countries
भारत ने
with which
सिविल न्यूक्लियर
India
कोऑपरेशन
has
के क्षेत्र
also
में
has an
समझौता
agreement
किया है।
in the area of
रक्षा,
civil nuclear cooperation.
अंतरिक्ष
Whether
और
it is
अन्य
the
strategic
sector of
क्षेत्रों में
defense,
भी
space,
हमारा
or other
सहयोग
strategic areas,
मजबूत,
our cooperation
पुराना
is
तथा
strong,
भरोसामंद है।
old, and
रक्षा
trustworthy.
सहयोग के संदर्भ में
If you were to speak of the
36 राफेल लड़ाकू विमानों की खरीद को
of
लेकर
defense, we have
यह खुशी की बात है
we are very
कि
pleased
दोनों
that
पक्षों के
in
बीच
the purchase of 36
कुछ फाइनेंशियल एस्पेक्ट को छोड़ करके
of 36 Rafale
शेष
aircrafts, apart from some
इंटर
financial
गवर्नमेंटल
issues,
एग्रीमेंट
there
संपन्न
has
हो गया
been
है।
an intergovernmental
हमारी यह भी
agreement
सहमति
on
हुई
other,
है
issues.
कि फाइनेंशियल एस्पेक्ट को अति शीघ्र
We
रिजॉल्व किया
decided
जाएगा।
to resolve the financial aspect
भारत
as
और
fast
फ्रांस
as
के
possible
संबंध
as well.
वक्त की हर परीक्षा पर
France and
खरे
India
उतरे हैं।
have always
उसके हर उतार चढ़ाव से
been,
कमजोर नहीं
proved themselves
अपितु
the test
और
of
अधिक
time.
सुदृढ़ होकर
And
के
their-
निकले हैं।
they have always,
पिछले वर्ष
been
अप्रैल
strong
में
in their commitments
मेरी
and
फ्रांस
in
यात्रा
their
के दौरान
commitments.
मैंने राष्ट्रपति
Recently, last
श्रीमान
year when I had
ओलांद
visited
ने
France in April,
अपने संबंधों के विस्तार
able
और
to
उनकी
discuss
गहनता
at
के लिए
length with
कई
President
महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय लिए थे।
Hollande on
राष्ट्रपति जी के साथ
various issues.
मेरी
And
आज
we
की
were able to
वार्ता
take
में
some significant decisions
लिए
in
गए
this
ठोस
regard.
कदम
And many of
हमारी
these
बहुमुखी
steps
सहभागिता
that we
के
were able to
साझे स्वप्न
take
की
at that time
उपलब्धि ने
are
कारगर
today-
सिद्ध होंगे।
are now being
रेलवे इंजन से सैटेलाइट के निर्माण तक,
It is the development of
सीमा सुरक्षा से
of the rail-
लेकर के
engine to that of
अंतरिक्ष की
satellite,
सीमाओं तक,
whether it is
सांझी
of
आर्कियोलॉजिकल
security to that of
एक्सकवेशन से
limitations,
स्मार्ट
space,
सिटीज
whether
तक,
it is,
सूर्य ऊर्जा से लेकर के
archaeological excavations,
न्यूक्लियर पावर तक,
cities, whether it's
नमस्ते इंडिया से लेकर के
solar energy to nuclear
बोजूर फ्रांस तक
and namaste
आज
India to
लिए गए
Brazil,
निर्णय
France.
इन सभी कार्य क्षेत्रों में हमारी द्विपक्षीय साझेदारी को विकसित करेंगे। हम सहयोग के मार्ग पर अग्रसर हैं, किंतु साथ ही साथ हम उभरती चुनौतियों के प्रति भी सजग हैं। पेरिस, पठानकोट तथा विश्व के अन्य शहरों पर हुए आतंकवादी हमले एक ऐसी ही चुनौती का एक भीषण स्वरूप है। आतंकवाद मानवता तथा मानव मूल्यों का दुश्मन है। मेरा यह मानना है कि इससे लड़ने के लिए मानवता में विश्वास रखने वाले सभी देशों और शक्तियों को एकत्रित होना नितांत आवश्यक है। एक्सेलेंसी, हमारे द्विपक्षीय सहयोग के इंद्रधनुष में पर्यावरण सुरक्षा एक अहम प्राथमिकता है। राष्ट्रपति महोदय, पेरिस में हुए ऐतिहासिक COP21 के दौरान आपकी समझबूझ से भरपूर नेतृत्व का मैं हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं। COP21 के दौरान विश्व ने इस धरती के लिए एक नए क्लाइमेट फ्रेमवर्क की सफल उत्पत्ति देखी है। साथ ही साथ COP21 में मैंने और राष्ट्रपति जी ने मिलकर इंटरनेशनल सोलर अलायंस को लॉन्च किया था। मेरे लिए यह अत्यंत हर्ष का विषय है कि अब से थोड़ी ही देर में हम इसके इंटरिम सेक्रेटरीट का उद्घाटन करेंगे और परमानेंट सेक्रेटरीट का शिलान्यास भी करेंगे। हमारे संबंधों की एक खूबसूरती है इसका डायनेमिज्म। इसी कारण हम समय के साथ और समय अनुरूप अपने रिलेशनशिप में उभरती आर्थिक तथा राजनैतिक सहयोग की अपॉर्चुनिटीज को उपलब्धियों में परिवर्तित करने में सफल रहे हैं। इसमें दो राय नहीं है और यह कल चंडीगढ़ में स्पष्ट था कि दोनों देशों के बिजनेस के बीच व्यापार तथा निवेश संपर्क हमारे सशक्त संबंधों का एक महत्वपूर्ण स्तंभ है। चंडीगढ़ में सीईओ फोरम और बिजनेस समिट की वार्ता उत्साहपूर्ण, लाभकारी एवं सार्थक थी। राष्ट्रपति होलांद और मैंने द्विपक्षीय सहयोग की ऐसी नई नींव डाली है जो कि भारत और फ्रांस के बीच नई कॉमर्शियल पार्टनरशिप को जन्म देगी। शहरी विकास, खास तौर से स्मार्ट सिटीज का विकास, भारत में रेलवे इंजिन्स का निर्माण, रेलवे ट्रैक का अपग्रेडेशन, रेलवे स्टेशंस का विकास, न्यूक्लियर पावर की उत्पत्ति, ये ऐसे बीज है जिनकी सिंचाई दोनों देशों की अर्थव्यवस्थाओं को तथा भारत और फ्रांस को और समीप लाएगी। इस संदर्भ में मैं फ्रांसीसी बिजनेस तथा इंडस्ट्री को भारत में निवेश के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूं। भारत की आर्थिक उन्नति, हमारी विकास की प्राथमिकताएं, भारत के स्किल ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज, ये सभी फ्रांस और फ्रेंच इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक अभूतपूर्व अवसर है। एक्सेलेंसी होलांद, भारत और फ्रांस एक सुरक्षित और संपन्न भविष्य के लिए न केवल प्रतिबद्ध है, अपितु उसकी ओर तीव्रता से अग्रसर है। इस यात्रा की सफलता में मैं आपके सहयोग और प्रयासों का हृदय से बहुत बहुत आभारी हूं। इन शब्दों के साथ मैं एक बार फिर राष्ट्रपति होलांद का भारत के गणतंत्र दिवस पर मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
May I now invite His Excellency Mr. François Hollande, the President of the French Republic, to make his remarks.
Monsieur le Premier ministre, j'ai conscience de l'honneur qui est fait avec cette invitation à participer au jour de la République, honneur qui est fait à la France tout entière et qui témoigne de la relation exceptionnelle entre nos deux pays. Oui, je suis fier de célébrer avec vous l'anniversaire de votre constitution, celle de l'Inde démocratique, celle d'un pays ouvert,
the democratic India, of an open country, a peaceful country, which is an ally for France. I very much wanted to come here and accept your prestigious invitation and at the same time to open up a new chapter in our strategic partnership that we launched in 1998 between France and India. I also wanted to be here to commend the action of Prime Minister Modi. This was most welcome, in particular on the occasion of the climate conference in Paris. I was aware of the hopes of Prime Minister Modi. I was also aware of some potential reluctance on his side. He wanted climate justice to be part of the agreement. He wanted developing countries, the most vulnerable countries, to be able to benefit from a high level of financing. Lastly, Prime Minister Modi wanted innovation to be shared. He wanted technology to be spread. And what he offered to his country, a plan for solar energy, could also be brought at the international level. Together with Minister Fabius, Minister of Foreign Affairs, we were very happy to be able to conclude an agreement in Paris, but we know who we owe it to, including Prime Minister Modi. And the Prime Minister himself said that France and India have chosen a strategic partnership. And in that
pour la sécurité,
partnership itself, there are some
pour la
requirements
défense,
in terms of
pour la
security,
stabilité.
defense, and stability.
La France et l'Inde
France and India
sont conscientes des menaces qui
are
pèsent
both aware
sur la paix,
of the threats
et notamment
against peace,
le terrorisme.
including
Parce que
terrorism,
nos deux pays en ont
because
été
both our countries
victimes
have been
ces derniers mois.
targeted over the past
Je
2 months.
remercie le Premier ministre Modi
I would like
et
to
le
thank
peuple indien
Prime Minister Modi as well
pour le
as
soutien
the
qu'il
Indian
nous a
people
apporté
for the
lors de ces
support
épreuves,
provided
aussi bien
in these
en
dire
janvier qu'en novembre de
circumstances,
l'année dernière.
both in January and in November of
Et
last year.
la France n'oubliera jamais
France will never
ces
forget
gestes d'amitié venant,
these tokens of
du monde
friendship
entier,
coming
et
from
particulièrement
all
aussi
around the world, but in
de l'Inde,
particular from India.
qui, je le rappelle, avait été
And
frappée
let
par
me
des actes
remind
terroristes,
you that
dont
India
d'ailleurs des
itself
Français
was
avaient pu
attacked
être victimes.
by terrorists.
Nous savons, nous, qui nous a frappés.
We know who
C'est
hit us.
Daesh,
It is Daesh.
qui d'ailleurs revendique ces crimes,
Indeed, Daesh is claiming
qui exhibe
their
les
crimes.
auteurs de ces
ISIS.
forfaits, de ces assassinats, qui
They
diffuse des images
are proud
atroces.
of those who committed
Eh bien, je l'affirme,
these
ici,
atrocities. And
nous ne
let me
laisserons
tell you
jamais
here,
impressionner.
we will never be impressed.
Et ces provocations odieuses
They are provoking us
amplifient encore
in the worst
la
possible
résolution
manner.
qui est la nôtre,
But these can only make
qui est
us
la mienne,
more determined,
pour protéger
including
les
myself,
Français
to be more
à travers des
determined
décisions que j'ai prises
to
et que j'ai
take the
confirmées.
right decisions,
Mais aussi
decisions that I've
pour
taken
frapper.
and confirmed.
Frapper encore
We shall also be extremely determined to
organisation
strike
qui nous
time and
menace
again
et qui tue.
against ISIS,
nos
that
enfants.
organization which is threatening us and killing
La
our
raison pour
children.
laquelle nous avons décidé, le Premier ministre
This
Modi
is the
et
reason
moi-même,
why Prime Minister Modi and myself have
notre
decided
coopération contre le
to
terrorisme,
strengthen our cooperation
de
against
renforcer
terrorism.
les échanges
We've
de renseignements,
decided to
de
strengthen
lutter encore
our
davantage
exchange of
contre les trafics
intelligence,
qui alimentent
to tackle
le
yet
terrorisme.
further trafficking
Nous avons même
that is
décidé
feeding terrorism. And we
Une
also
feuille de route
decided
pour lutter
a
contre
roadmap.
tous les trafics,
We agreed upon a roadmap
et
to
notamment dans
tackle
l'océan
all
Indien, et
forms
pour
of
assurer
trafficking, in
la
particular in the
sécurité
Indian Ocean,
maritime.
and to
Nous
guarantee
avons
maritime
également mis en
safety.
place, dans le domaine de
We
la
are also
cybersécurité,
implementing in
des
the field of
instruments
cybersecurity
qui pourront
a number of tools
renforcer
that will enable
nos
us
systèmes
to
de défense.
strengthen our defense systems.
Je remercie le Premier ministre Modi
I would
pour
like
les
to
paroles
thank Prime
qu'il vient de
Minister Modi,
prononcer,
His Excellency,
notamment sur la coopération
for
militaire entre la France
his
et
words,
l'Inde.
in particular a few minutes
Lorsqu'il est
ago,
venu
on
en
military
avril
cooperation
dernier,
between France and India. When
il
he
avait
visited
affirmé son
France
souhait
a couple of months ago
de
in
faire
April,
l'acquisition de 36
he
avions
announced
Rafale.
his willingness to buy 36
Nous avons travaillé
Rafale
dessus.
fighter jets. We've been working since
Je
then,
rappelle que ces avions sont
and let me
ceux-là même
remind you
qui,
that these
aujourd'hui,
fighter jets
luttent
are
contre
precisely
Daesh
those
en
which
Syrie,
are
en Irak.
targeting and
Et montrent
fighting
leur
against
efficacité.
ISIS in Syria and in Iraq,
Nous venons
and they are proving
de
their
signer par
efficiency.
nos deux ministres de la Défense
Through our
un
Ministers
accord
of Defense, we've just
intergouvernemental.
signed an intergovernmental
C'est une
agreement.
étape décisive
It is a decisive step
pour que l'Inde puisse
for
acquérir ces
India
avions et pour que
to
la France les
purchase
mette à la
these fighter jets
disposition
and for
d'un
France
grand pays
to make
comme
them
l'Inde.
available to
Je m'en
such a
félicite.
great country
Il reste
like
des aspects
India.
financiers
And
qui
please
seront réglés dans
allow
les
me to
jours
thank you
prochains.
for that. There
Mais
remain
l'essentiel
some
est
financial
fait
issues that will
aujourd'hui.
be sorted out within a couple of
En
days,
avril,
but
c'était
what
une
matters
déclaration.
most has
Aujourd'hui,
been done. In
c'est un
April,
accord
it was a
entre nos
statement,
deux
and today
gouvernements
it is an
et entre
agreement
nos deux
between
pays.
our two
Et je suis
governments and
heureux
our two
que
countries.
la confiance
And I'm
soit au
happy
rendez-vous. La
that
confiance de l'Inde
trust
à l'égard
is there,
de l'industrie française
trust
de la défense,
in the
la
French
confiance
defense
de la
industry,
France à l'égard de l'Inde, car
France's
nous
trust
sommes dans le
in
Make in
India,
India,
because
et je tiens
we
à
are
m'inscrire dans
in
cette
Make in
perspective.
India, and I very much want to
Je suis ici
place
aussi,
all of that
et le Premier
within
ministre l'a
the
rappelé,
framework of Make in
pour
India.
mettre en œuvre les engagements que nous avons passés
I am also here,
lors de la
like the
conférence de
Prime
Paris.
Minister said, to
La
implement the
coopération, je l'ai
agreement
dit, entre la France et l'Inde a
made
été
in
déterminante
Paris. Like I
parce que
say, the
l'Inde
cooperation between France and
a fait le
India
choix d'une
has
ambition
been
élevée pour produire 40% de son électricité
because
d'ici 2030
you
avec
have a
du
goal
renouvelable.
to produce 40% of your energy with renewables by 2030, and France therefore has to stand by India. We therefore decided upon an outstanding cooperation on smart cities, first of all, and we traveled together to Chandigarh yesterday, a historic city where France and India already cooperated, and we will therefore, through that example, but through other cities, Pondicherry, Nagpur, there are 100 smart cities. That is the plan of the Prime Minister. So we will put our expertise, our skills, that of our businesses at the service of this great idea of smart cities. We will work on sanitation, waste management, circular economy, and many agreements have been entered into today or will be tomorrow. And then there is, of course, the International Solar Alliance. To begin with, that was an idea. An idea is always at the beginning of everything. Then it was a dream to be able to launch an international alliance for solar energy. But today, it is something real, concrete, even that we will be laying the first foundation stone of the solar alliance. And we will be able to open access to 100 countries to solar energy. So once again, France wanted to be part of the initiative and gathered a group of companies under Terawatt that fully mobilized for the Solar Alliance. And on the occasion of my visit, which will continue, we will be signing a number of agreements on infrastructure, transport, agriculture, health, culture, and other matters. And I would like to thank all the CEOs, business representatives who traveled with me. They all understood that if they wanted to be here in India, they had to share their technology within the framework of Make in India. There are 1,000 French businesses in India, and the investments keep growing. In all fields, we should certainly not speak just about defense matters, because there are so many other matters, fields. Of course, the Rafale fighter jet is a symbol, but we also developed our cooperation in the space industry. This is a field in which France and India have been working together for 50 years already, and the nuclear civil energy. And there is no better token of trust than sharing nuclear technology, civil nuclear technology. And here again, we've progressed a great deal, given that we are aiming at building 6 EPR reactors in Jaipur, and we are hoping to conclude on that matter within 1 year. Excellency, yourself and India trust technology, research and innovation. So do we. And a country like India, the most populous country around the world, and a country like France, with a very old history, the fact that we can get together and share together our trust in science and in research, this is how democracies stand. This is how democracies produce and innovate. We also developed some cooperation in the field of research, higher education and culture, because both our countries are very fond of culture. You would like the French technology to be available to some of your plans, in particular in your city, Benares, Excellency. And we're well aware of all the Indian heritage and also of all the ideas promoted by Mahatma Gandhi. And this is a source of inspiration for the entire world. And technology can also be inspired all around the world and help to tackle hatred and death. It is for us to get organized, to also bring about some hope. and bring about the future for mankind. This is our hope, and this is the reason why that visit is outstanding. It's exceptional because we will be celebrating your constitution on Republic Day. It is also exceptional because we have to deliver further to the climate conference, also because we've been strengthening our partnership, and because from culture to defense matters, we always share the same ideals. Thank you.
I thank the two leaders for their statements. This concludes the joint press briefing. Thank you all.